If you're experiencing account sync issues in Baldur's Gate 3, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get your account syncing properly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the sync issue. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which could help fix sync problems. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Baldur's Gate 3 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve performance, which may include fixes for account sync issues. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to the game's support team. Provide them with detailed information about your issue, including any error messages you may have received. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems continue, staying in touch with support can provide further assistance.